Umaga.
Kunlun. Coming northwest. They're all here.
Inside?
Okay.
Coming inside?
No.
Not yet. They're outside.
Bro.
They're outside. They're
Call it if we
Anting,
call it
anting,
if we
anting,
inside or gate.
They're all Gucci. They're all
Papunta pasok ba?
Sila yun ah.
Bro.
Inside,
Info,
inside.
please. Inside? What the fuck?
Inside na.
Okay.
Oh, naka-bear.
Okay. Sila yun, madami.
Anting, going sa inyo.
They're all Gucci.
Careful, careful, Pengo, okay?
Going to farmers.
Yeah, lagyan.
Chaos in party with them? Chaos in party with them?
Oh, andun.
Okay. Ilan estimate mo dyan, Jer, na ano kasama?
Isa lang yung nakita ko, por. Hindi ko nakita lahat.
Pero 5 yan.
Kunlun?
Hindi, may Kunlun. Kunlun yung ano. Ay, Nal yan. May Kunlun.
Kunlun zone northwest.
Dong, di ba?
Oh, it's null.
Pakat noon,
Bro, info, please. What the fuck? Clear info,
I saw
please.
Kunlun using Galant. They're not diving.
Yan yung
He's on
kinalot
out
ko kanina
already.
yung Kunlun. Kala ko pumasok rin eh.
Where's Park Delete?
Are you fighting
Yeah,
now,
I may-
Pengo?
Diyan.
They're killing one.
Oh my god. Hello.
Dikit.
I close my game for this.
Where's Null now?
Inside.
There's no Nal?
Inside.
Yeah, where?
Sige na.
Okay. Keep live ping. Keep pinging.
Tikmaw, guys.
I'm cooldown, okay? I'm cooldown. Go catch.
Dismount, guys.
Ping.
Come to the fucking crown if you're a farmer. Hello. Oh,
Okay, nice. GG. I will catch this.
No.
What is that?
No.
Grizzly bear? What the fuck? Cannot.
Grizzly, yeah, it's Grizzly.
I need my ballista for this.
He's gonna get dismounted to mobs. Just chase him.
Mantap guys.
come here. Kokya.
Hello.
Fuck.
Just keep on chasing him.
Okay.
Farmers go farm. Let him aggro the mobs, okay? So he can get dismounted.
Yeah.
Going
Don't
west,
go in
going
front of
west.
him. Yeah, don't go in front of him.
Wait.
Yeah, careful, okay? They might have bomb.
It's
I
bait
didn't.
for sure.
Yeah, it's bait for sure.
Bait for one
100%.
shot. Just use cleanse suit. It's all good. Peng Lai. Don't just aggro up from him. He will aggro everything and fuck
Going
naman pero.
northwest inside.
Yeah, it's okay. I have eyes on him.
Okay, go.
Stun ka, Lorot. Stun ka.
Sumabon dyan.
Okay, GG. Cannot. Nice. We tuck him.
Going to you. Farmers.
Just engage him
You can
if
try
he
to catch
come.
Pengu. Yeah, you can try
If he come to you, just
catch.
engage. But no, hinat. Just engage him if he come to you. But hinat coming to
No
you.
mobs
Hinat.
on southeast. I think there's no mobs on southeast.
Just watch Scott carefully, okay? If they might have another
Just-
party coming.
Just catch him. I-tag mo nga,
Cannot. No more fear.
Yeah, we'll just keep on running around.
Yeah, it's fine. Let it. No more fear.
Go, Pengu, try to catch. Oh, never mind, you're far.
Too far. Cannot lang.
Too far.
Oh, nice. Can.
Oh, you can. Nice. Kill.
Yeah, passive.
Yeah, the armor passive.
I'll come back, Pifi. Come back. Uy, okay. Wait, I have stun as well.
I think you want to try to catch. Yeah, I think you want to try to catch.
Nigger.
Coming.
Come back. Oh,
Okay,
they coming.
okay.
They coming west side. Come back, guys. Come back.
Proper.
Come back.
Regroup first.
Keep on southeast.
Farmers come.
Farmers.
Stop
Change to tenacity.
Stuck here on me.
Change to tenacity. Farmer.
Heal Kokyawa. Change to tenacity. Okay? Wait. Hold here. Hold.
I held him.
Hold. Keep on holding. Look for the healer. Mark the healer, okay? Mark the healer. Ball the healer.
Just roll.
We need to be. Kill the
I stand him. He die.
Wait, there's many more on southwest. It's fine.
Just ball. Kill them now. Kill. Okay. Stabilize now. It's fine. Stabilize. Heal up. Heal. Okay, never mind. Just heal. Just ball. You have DPS. It's only me who died. You can ball. Actually, one DPS died. Okay, one DPS died.
On the FI, walang di ba yan?
No, DPS die. The Myanmar guy
No
died.
healer. Fuck.
Yeah, no.
Walang kaya.
No healer now?
No defensive as well.
Shadrack only.
Yeah.
Hưu ra đây. Srap.
Oh, but
Bata kami
part,
dito.
the main party heal. Hello?
Yeah, bro, like the holy, what's the holy?
What the fuck? You lose that fight? Hello?
Wait,
No info?
wait, wait.
No info also. Where do you come?
Southwest, I said
Oh,
southwest.
dami.
They're
Kami
coming
nila,
southwest.
gago.
Lot.
No, I know. But like, we should like have info from the gate. Or from like,
Quét đầu với Kama.
Quét nãy thì cao chết thêm một lần rồi.
Mẹ,
man.
đi chấp tóm mấy thằng GE xong để nó đánh.
Nadi.
Để nó giết.
Why you know info, Nadi?
Kìm phải cái lầu.
Nadi, hello?
I'm sorry, my
Ngồi
firewall
xong
is
tất ghét nó lại còn
check
mẹ.
in the party chat.
Why no info?
I'm checking the party chat.
Kill daw.
Ah, you can't kill. You can't. Oh my god, bro.
Party wipe, bro.
Party
Saan?
wipe.
It's fine.
Wala namang party.
There's like no info.
Yeah, no info from gate and from inside. Only like clear, I think. Call or someone, some Pinoy guy. Uncle, I think.
At may sabi yun, Southwest, ang dami pa.
Putang ina.
Galing sila southeast eh. Lahat.
Who's got southwest and west inside?
Southwest ata din pumasok yung una eh. Southwest yung iba.
Who's got
Southwest yung
southwest?
last. Southwest inside pumasok yung last. Yun yung na-call out ko.
They
Yung sa
like
west
they
nung wala.
come from west and southwest, I think. The second wave is from southwest.
The second wave from southwest.
Hindi-
The first
hindi
wave is
na-
from west. Oh my god, and you know like that one DPS, right?
Chấp tóm thằng
Oh
GE.
my, bro, like DPS don't have tenacity jacket. They use
Thấy
3
cái
drop
hậu
to
quả
fight.
mình chưa?
Of course they die.
Of course, no rigger, bro.
Yes. Why you not have
100%
tenacity jacket? Wait, I will check kill
That's
parts.
why they die so easily. They
Yeah,
use ten
Đi
adjustment.
mát luôn hả?
I mean, they
Mình
use the
They use 3 drop and like fucking one guy is like being autistic.
Draw. Oh my god. Kaya pala.
Thấy cái hậu quả mình gây ra chưa Kama?
I call for shop already, right? I think you guys hear.
Yeah. Everybody said change to tenacity.
I already said
Then
change to
one
tenacity.
DPS already low. Fuck!
Wait,
How dumb can you be? Holy shit.
Kung walang tayo kahit yung ano na lang.
Ay, Gilbert. Gilbert
Kaya,
not out.
wala akong-
We
hindi
killed
ko
the first
na-open
wave,
red
bro.
No, first wave we not stable because of the like everyone is so first wave. Then second wave we just like getting raped because we had like 1 bar HP everyone.
But we were winning in first wave, yeah.
Yeah, we winning, but like 2 TPS die, and
Ina.
like healer cannot do anything.
I think only one DPS and Zodi.
Mày bét.
How many heals
It's not
do
your
you
fault,
have there?
Pengu. It's not your fault, bro.
Scout southwest GDS bro. He just touched GE and Key Scout. What the fuck?
Oh yeah, GE kills. Okay, so wait. I wait for the kill bar first. It's not out yet. How long is it to update? Like 5
Ayoko na
minutes.
maglaro.
Pahinga.
Ayoko na mag-Albion. Putang ina. Tatanga nyo.
Basi safe for now.
No base, no base. No battle mount. No battle mount.
Hindi, ako may dala ako boy. Yung
Send them.
Bastion lang.
Okay lang yan.
Sign. 900k. Killport not out yet.
And Norot Bond Mob Pain, kaya. Basag isa eh.
Ay. Wala pa nga.
Yeah, the DPS is newbie though. Like they not ready to fight.
Kung naka-draw, pwede naman mag-swap agad sa ano yun eh.
Wala ata silang dala. Natanga lang siguro.
Oo. Pero kahit ano na lang, kung wala silang
Chờ
dala
lò
yung
cắt
shield,
tóc là
yung frost
éo
shield,
lắm.
instead of ano, instead of damage, para may sustain sila.
Angko. Ikon.
It's not out yet.
Yung no choice ka naman talaga kung naka-draw ka lang. Defensive lang talaga kailangan mo dun.
Cannot.
Di mati, mas yan.